Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of videos not saving on gallery on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.